Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you see this message. We want to cook smoky Nigeria party jollof with our signature curry, our signature jollof mix, and our Yaji spice. So stay tuned as you're enjoying. In a heated pot, add your small vegetable oil. So in less than some seconds, you add your onions, you stir. While the onions is releasing its flavor into the oil, in some few seconds also, can you see the onions is releasing its flavor inside the oil. See, can you see? So that then you add your curry. This is our curry. You add our curry. See, this is Telval golden curry. You add it little. You stir. You add our signature jollof mix too. Can you see? So our jollof mix, you add a little to it too. You stir. Oh my goodness! Can you see? The atmosphere has been changed. This is our Yaji. Our Yaji is made up of cayenne pepper, there's cayenne, there's garlic, there's ginger, a lot of things, a lot of components. So we're going to add a little to it to give us that smoky signature. Can you see? We're adding a little to it too. Then we stir. Can you see this goodness? All our spices has the complete spice that we need to spice up our kitchen to give us good, sweet, authentic and premium cooking. Once with the right ingredients, you will not be tired to even cook. Once you have the right ingredients in your kitchen chef to cook, there's no way you not have passion for cooking. Because anytime you come to the kitchen, mommy's signature cannot be denied. You add your thyme, just a little, because there's already bay leaf in the curry already. You see, you add, and the jollof mix spice, so you add a little of thyme. Most people, this is where they get it from. Thyme is supposed to be very little. Don't put generous amounts of your thyme. Once you put too much of your thyme in your jollof spice, it's going to change that signature and give you a bitter taste. Can you see that our onions is looking like as if it's burnt with our spices? See our spices. See our spice without putting tin tomato or your fresh mixed tomato. See it, because there is a lot inside, a lot of our signature that if you patronize us today, you will continue to send us a referral and say, oh, this woman, go and try Telval Global Limited, go and try Telval Spices. So the spices is premium or nothing. Can you see this goodness? Can you see it? See? Then you add your seasoning. We use sauce heat to do our Yaji. Sea salt to do our Yaji. And sea salt is very medicinal. It's good for the body. You're adding our pepper next. This is our fresh pepper. Can you see? Once you get your basement like this, you are good to go. You just are adding our tin tomato. Instead, Everything will marinate together. Everything will marry each other. See? Can you see it? On a low heat now. See, I've reduced the heat. Can you see it? So I'm going to leave this now on a low heat so that everything will cooperate very well together. Can you see? See that that's very changing its color. Don't worry, it's not burnt. This is where most people miss their signature. Once you have your right spices, your right ingredients, this is another part again that you don't want to skip. You don't want to skip. So I'm going to add a stock and that's what I see. Then we can increase the flame. See, I can increase the flame. Can you see? You allow it to come to the bone. Can you see that? This thing that was looking as if it was burnt. Can you see that it has started bringing out its goodness? See it? Can you see the readiness of the sauce? Can you see it? So at this point, after adding your stock water, you test for your test. You can notice that on this process I did add salt. Reason because our yaji has sea salt already, so we have to test if there is salt before we can add salt to it. Can you see? So I'm testing. This is so nice. Can you see? Mind you, there is no fresh tomato in this. Can you see? There is no fresh tomato. I just use my tin tomato. But you see that it still came out so beautiful. Tin tomato that I did the fresh pepper. There's fresh pepper. There's generous amount of onions. See? Can you see the way it's boiling now? And you see that the oil now is floating on top of your paste. Can you see it? See our parboil. Please, another thing, if you don't know how to parboil your jollof rice, please don't parboil. Just wash with salt. You rinse very well, then you put it still fine. If you don't know how to parboil jollof rice, don't parboil it. Yes, just wash it with salt and put. Can you see this one? I just pour it inside within some few minutes, less than 1 minute. See, you see how it's 1-1. So don't parboil if you don't know how to parboil your jollof, for your jollof rice. So don't parboil if you don't know how to. Can you see how? See the steam? Can you see? So I'm going to pour it inside now. Sorry. See? I reduce the flame. See? Then I'm going to stir. Can you see? So you don't wait until you are in party before you can have jollof rice signature at home. Don't wait until you are in a party. Oh, I'm there. I want to go to that party because of jollof rice. Don't wait. That's why Telval Global Limited, Telval Spices is here for you. Telval Global Limited is trying its best to ensure that every kitchen is gracefully graced with our signature spices. We have our curry spices, our jollof mix, we have our yaji, we have our Arabian tea blend, we have our African soup pots for soups, we have our pepper soup spice too. Can you see? See it. From the heart of flavor, 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 from the heart. Can you see it now? From the heart of flavor, from the heart of flavor, from the heart. So I didn't add water, only the water from the distance. There's no water because I'm going to allow it to simmer. Because it's already been parboiled. Can you see that? Aside my sauce, there is no other water on top. So we are going to improvise today. I forgot I don't have foil paper, so I'm going to use nylon to cover it. It's already been washed. It's a new nylon though, but I still wash it. It's a new nylon, but still I still washed it. See? So I'm going to on a low heat. Can you see it? So I'm going to wait for some. Let me get. Yes, it's nice down. So I'm going to allow it to just simmer, and we'll come back and check for it after some minutes. Stay tuned. Oh, Nepa has done us, but you can still see it now. You can still see it. See. I just took the light, but you can still see. Okay, I'm using my phone flashlight, but can you see it? Evenly cooked. It's evenly cooked. See? Can you see? From the heart of flavor. Banga. So yummy. Can you see? See?
Every kitchen need the right flavor.